I need to supply anything for the clean?
No, we bring everything needed to complete your after renovation clean professionally, safely and efficiently. That includes HEPA filter vacuums to trap fine dust, microfiber cloths, ladders, mops, scrapers and extension poles, non-toxic, surface-safe cleaning products, garbage bags, gloves and disposal supplies. You don't need to worry about providing vacuums, mops or buckets, running to the store for extra supplies, guessing what product is safe for your new marble vanity. We've got it all covered. All we ask is that the property is accessible, keys or codes arranged. Any essential utilities, power and water are connected. Trades have finished their major work so we can clean without interruption. Need us to work around furniture or partial access? Just let us know. We're flexible.